Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to another episode of Culinary Adventures. Get ready for a wild ride to Flavortown, where every bite is an explosion of taste and texture. Today, we're diving headfirst into a plate of epic loaded nachos, a dish that's sure to impress. Hold on tight because this ain't your mama's snack. We're elevating nachos to a whole new level. We're talking layers of cheesy, melty goodness piled high on crispy tortilla chips. Think crunchy veggies, your favorite protein, and a variety of toppings. It's a symphony of flavors that'll make your taste buds sing with joy. Imagine the crunch, the melt, and the burst of flavors in every bite. So buckle up, grab your aprons, and let's get this nacho party started. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or just for yourself, these nachos are a game changer. Are you ready to take your snack game to the next level? Let's do this. Get your ingredients ready, and let's make some magic in the kitchen. Before we dive into this cheesy adventure, let's gather our ingredients. Nachos are all about layers of flavor and texture, so let's make sure we have everything we need. You'll need a bag of your favorite tortilla chips. Go for the ones that are sturdy and can hold up under the weight of all those delicious toppings. We're talking the sturdy kind that can handle a mountain of toppings. No one likes a soggy chip, right? Next up, grab some shredded cheddar cheese. The classic choice for that sharp, tangy flavor. Monterey Jack for that creamy melt, which adds a smooth texture to every bite. And some pepper jack if you like a little kick. Now let's talk protein. Grilled chicken, seasoned ground beef, or spicy chorizo, you choose. Each one brings a unique flavor to the table. Don't forget the veggies. Diced tomatoes, onions, jalapenos all add freshness and a bit of crunch. And black olives are all welcome in Flavortown. They add a nice briny contrast. And for the finishing touches, grab some sour cream and guacamole. These creamy additions will balance out the spice and add a cool, refreshing element. All right, let's get cooking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, grab a baking sheet and spread a single layer of tortilla chips. Sprinkle a generous amount of that glorious cheese blend, making sure every chip gets a cheesy hug. Now, add your protein of choice. Next, it's time for the veggies. Scatter those diced tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, and olives like confetti. Finally, another sprinkle of cheese to seal the deal. Remember, we're going for epic, so don't be shy with the cheese. Slide that cheesy masterpiece into the preheated oven, making sure it's centered on the middle rack for even cooking. Set your timer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Depending on how crispy you like your nachos. Keep a close eye on those nachos as they bake, peeking through the oven window occasionally. We want that cheese melted to perfection, bubbling and gooey, covering every chip. And don't forget about the chips. They should be nice and crispy, adding that perfect crunch. Once the cheese is melted and bubbly, and the aroma fills your kitchen, and the edges of the chips start to turn golden brown, it's a sign they're almost ready. Carefully pull those nachos out of the oven, using oven mitts to avoid any burns. Let them cool for a minute, just enough so you don't burn your mouth on the first bite. Then it's time to top them off with your favorite extras. Add a dollop of sour cream, a scoop of guacamole, and maybe some fresh salsa. Sprinkle on some jalapenos, olives, or anything else your heart desires to make it truly your own. Now grab a fork or just dive in with your hands and dig into the cheesiest, most epic nachos in Flavortown. Enjoy every bite.